some of what we're cutting today. I mean, it's just something that's been growing for 3 or 4 years. I don't know how long. We just got the property here. We'll clean it up. Here's a little video of the underneath of this 60-inch Terminator. 3-blade design, triangle blade holder. Works awesome. Everyone gets so concerned about the design of the blade holder, but if your tip speed's correct, you won't have no issues. Triangle, square, round, whatever. This thing cuts like a beast. Well, we got the biggest majority of the bush hogging. You can see there's a bunch of little pine saplings left that I wanted to use my disc mulcher on. I'm going to get it now, and we'll come back and do a little disc mulching with a 48-inch annihilator.